Parthenocissus quinquefolia is Virginia creeper. This is a native vine. It's native to Oklahoma in the woods and in a large part of the country. You can tell by the leaf here, this is a palmately compound leaf. It's attached alternate on the stem. This plant can attach by a tendril. A lot of times when you have tendrils, which are just modified stems, so they'll twine around a structure, like wrap around. These tendrils actually have secrete like a cement type substance that attaches it against trees or walls or fences. It grows fast. It's very heat tolerant. You can have this in full sun. Our description says partial shade to shade. It will tolerate partial shade to shade, but it will also tolerate sun. And this plant will grow up into trees in the forest. It doesn't grow over the crown. It stays inside the canopy of the tree, so it's not really hurting the tree at all. It's just using it for support to climb off of the ground of the forest. Not so much a ground cover. Usually it needs to be climbing. That's its regular growth habit. The Virginia creeper does bloom. It's kind of it's a monoecious flower, and in kind of a whitish, creamy white in little clusters, not real showy. The fruit is actually kind of a bluish, starts out green and sort of matures to this bluish purple fruit. Birds really like it. It's great for wildlife. And the fall color is just spectacular. It's very early. It's this deep red fall color. Many times you'll see this vine growing up in a tree. If the oak tree is still green, it hasn't turned yet, for the fall, and the Virginia creeper will just be bright red like this. It's very early, bright red fall color.